Hello, and welcome back to InStream Trades. Today we're going to talk about Astroswap, a new coin DEX from space built for Cardano. On this platform we can trade, stake, and farm tokens with all the confidence we would expect from a top decentralized financial platform. We can instantly trade our crypto tokens without having to create an account or go through any KYC procedures. Astroswap is built on the Velas blockchain, which has been clocked at 75,000 transactions per second. Additionally, Astroswap is supported by WagyuSwap, a leading decentralized exchange on Velas blockchain. And despite Astroswap being developed on Velas blockchain, Astroswap has your favorite Cardano tokens with integrated bridge to maximize the user experience. It has low fees and high speed. And that's why, according to what developers say, it's the only way to interstellar travel. Here you will find a roadmap and can check it all if desired. Platform offers farming, staking, DEX launch. In the first quarter, they plan to launch a cosmic lottery plan. Mobile app release and NFT tokens are also coming. Cross-galactic trading, prediction markets, beta release, and discovering new life forms. But why are we showing you the Astroswap? Because it just launched on the 29th of January. And just take a look at this APY. It's 83,000% and 600% here. Oh my God! Note that percentages are changing because more liquidity is coming to the DEX with a bigger number of investors. Click on a calculator icon. It will launch a calculation feature. Now let's say if you invest, for example, $1,000 for 1 month, then it will result in 72% gains. It is so high. Or you can go to the farming section. And for example, you can farm Astro tokens. By the way, Stro is the main token of this DEX. It may be a great idea to earn some Astro right at the start of the program. So here you can find out how much Astro you have earned. Here you can find the APR and check if $1,000 or let's say $10,000 is invested for 1 month. For example, you will get 169%. It's so much. It's a nice chance for us to take part in it. It's just starting, and that's why the APY and APR are so big. You can earn Astro tokens on the Velas blockchain. You will notice that the commission here is rather low because it's a relevant blockchain. Here is a reason why it's a great idea to do compounding. You can clearly see the APY. For example, let me come here and open a calculator again. If I uncheck the compounding option, then you can see that the result, it is around 60% less. That's why we highly recommend you to do compounding. If you do not want to do manual compounding, then you can invest in a pool and use an auto-restake program. Now let's talk about how you can start using Astroswap and what you need for it. Note that it is working not on BSC but on Velas blockchain. If you are not familiar with this chain, then what you need to do is add Velas blockchain mainnet into your MetaMask wallet. Here is the link on how to do it. Just go to supportvelas.com and you will find an article there titled, How to Configure MetaMask for Velas Network RPC. Scroll down and you will find RPC parameters that you need to put into your MetaMask wallet settings. The link to this page can be found in the video description. After Velas is configured to your MetaMask, you can buy Astro token. Here is the current price for it. Go to the CoinMarketCap website and search for Astro. Select Astroswap. You can see that it was released on Binance Smart Chain on the 1st of October. Here you can check the price chart. I can spot a small dump after the release. And here you can find exchanges where it's possible to buy Astro tokens. You can do it on PancakeSwap, Gateo, BKEX. Since it's built on Velas blockchain, you need to understand that in order to add liquidity here, or for example buy other tokens and to start farming, you will need to pay gas fees in Velas coins. So a good option is to buy Velas coins on Binance Smart Chain. Then transfer them into the Velas blockchain using the bridge or swaps. I will show you how to do it. Let's explore how to buy Velas on BSC and transfer them to Velas blockchain with the help of bridges. First, go to CoinMarketCap one more time. Search for Velas and open its page. You will find Ethereum contract address here. Also, you can check other markets. For example, here is a pancake swap. So you can take, for example, BNB coins from your Binance account or other wallets like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Click on this icon. It will take you to Dex tools. Here is Velas contract. Click here to copy it. Then go to Pancake Swap, select the trade menu and click on Cake in this case. Add a token over here and paste the address. It will find VLX and now click to add it. After this, you can buy a Velas token on BSC. Then we will need to convert those tokens to Velas blockchain. There are two main BSC to Velas bridges. It is Swaps and Velasbad. Here is the Swaps bridge. To find it, all you need to do is go to Astroswap and in the main menu select More and click on Cross-Chain Swaps. Then on Swaps you need to connect your wallet and select BSC to Velas. Then put how many Velas coins you want to get and click Swap. Here you will find swap details, including fees for transactions. Check if everything is correct and then go for a swap. Another way is to use Velasbad Bridge. The process is identical. You will need to set the amount of Velas coins you want to get and swap their cost from BSC. Then you need to go to Astroswap. In the menu, select Trade, then Exchange. Select Velas token and exchange them for ADA or Astro or any other token. Token name depends on which liquidity pair you want to farm or which pool you plan to invest. You can see that a PR is different now than it was at the beginning of this video. Nevertheless, it is still very high. Also, we suggest having some VLX tokens on your wallet to pay gas fees in future for restaking or compounding. Disclaimer: this is not financial advice. Note that investing involves high risks. Please take your time and go hit that like button right now to show your support. It is free for you and a great motivation for us.